finally back to the crib. We did make a small purchase today. As you can see, this navy and brown polo right here. This joint was dope, and it was actually different because I've never seen a polo with a brown leather pony on it. That was real different. On the back, there was nothing on the back. Pretty much this polo shirt was priced at $125, but I ended up getting it for like $85 because they had a set, no, $95. About $93 with some change because they were running a sale at Macys today. So this is just a polo. And I also, like once again, like I said, this pony was different. I've never seen a leather pony on a polo shirt, but if you have, comment down below. And this was not the only colors y'all can see in the video. I think they had a maroon one with a brown pony and a beige one with a brown pony. I actually thought about picking up that one too. But when I seen this one right here, I actually had a fit in mind. So let me try this joint on and let you see how it looks. And this is the shirt you all back. Like I said, nothing going on the back. And by the way, I did mention this is a slim fit polo. So what I did do, just to have the extra room, I went up a size to a extra large. Normally my polos are large, but this is an extra large because I also like the space in the room right here. Like the space in the shirt right here. At the end of it, the polo. Normally, if with a slim fit, these are a little tighter, and the shirt, of course, is a little slimmer. So this is the shirt from the front with the leather pony. So now let's get into the sneakers we will be rocking with this polo. Now sneakers, this is a Nike Air Force One box right here. And these are titled Midnight Navy Brown Marine. But what stood out to me, shout out to GOAT as well, is the brown corduroy on the top and on the side of the sneaker. I thought that it would match up with this leather pony right here. Of course, with the shoe already being navy and cream. And I just thought this was a dope little fit to put together. Not much, but I did like it. These shoes right here, like I said, my favorite part of these shoes, of course, y'all know I love navy. And with the brown corduroy on the toes right here, that was dope. So if y'all already, if you haven't, man, go ahead and like this video. Comment down below, let me know everything that you've seen in the store that you probably pick up or something that you like. Until the next video, you all, I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl just wanna